You don't need a camera, a studio, or a single day of video editing experience to build an audience. You need a phone, a free hour, and the AI stack I'm about to hand you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I turn one idea into a fully produced video without ever showing my face. Hi, I'm Roxy, and at Roxy Easy Math and Money, we believe knowledge only counts once it becomes income. Today, I'm walking you through the faceless video system so many of you have asked about, the exact tools, the exact prompts, and the order I use them in. If you've ever thought, I have something to teach, but I'm not ready to be on camera, this one is for you. Every viral video starts with a narrow promise, not a broad topic. Instead of personal finance tips, try 3 numbers every 40-plus woman should know before retirement. Or the math mistake costing teachers thousands in their pension. Or how I built a second income stream in one weekend using AI. Specificity is what makes a scroller stop. Write 5 angle options before you write a single line of script. Open your chat-based AI assistant and give it a structured prompt, not a vague one. Here's the prompt template I use every week. Write a 60 to 90-second faceless YouTube short script on your topic for an audience of your ideal client. Open with a scroll-stopping hook. Include 3 concrete takeaways and close with 1 clear call to action. Keep sentences short enough to read aloud in one breath. Ask for 3 hook variations before you settle on one. The hook decides whether anyone sees takeaway number 2. Paste your final script into an AI voice generator and choose a tone that matches your brand. Warm and authoritative works well for finance and education content. Adjust pacing so numbers and dollar amounts get slightly more space. That's where viewers lean in. This is where a faceless creator has options. If you want a presenter without appearing yourself, an AI avatar tool can deliver your script on camera in your brand colors. If you'd rather stay fully faceless, pair your voiceover with clean B-roll, text overlays, and simple animated data. Several beginner-friendly, even open-source tools now assemble this automatically from a script or a single web link, so design and editing are no longer the bottleneck they used to be. Drop in your palette, your monogram, and your tagline on the opening and closing frames so every video is instantly recognizable as yours. Export, caption it, and post consistently. The algorithm rewards a schedule more than it rewards perfection. If today's breakdown gave you your next video idea, tell me in the comments what topic you're scripting first. And if you want the full toolkit, my prompt library, my posting calendar, and my go-to voice and avatar settings, that's inside the Roxy Easy Wealth Report. Link is below. Remember, you don't need to be seen to be heard. You just need a system, knowledge, transformation, income. I'll see you in the next one.